everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolutely stunning 1967 Dodge Coronet RT convertible. This is a factory 440 car that now has a 66 date coded 426 Hemi on it. Very rare car. If I remember right, they only made one of these cars in a convertible with an automatic with a Hemi. But still, even the, I can't remember, the very few of these produced actually RT convertibles. And I'll tell you, killer car. Came out of a private collection. It is an older restoration, but it was a Nut-N-Bolt Rotisserie car, and there are very few miles, they said, on this car. One thing I will tell you, everything this guy had in his collection was like this. Nut-N-Bolt Rotisserie done. Love the color combination. This is factory. It's dark copper metallic, and then it's got the copper vinyl interior in it. New white convertible top. And it's as nice on the bottom as it is on top. It was a rotisserie done car, and the bottom is body color. You can wax the floorboards. Not really a whole lot you can nitpick, guys. This car is just stunning. Gorgeous paint. Of course, I love that 67 RT hood. Fit and finish is outstanding on the car. Love this color. I'll be honest, I am not excited to sell this car. Really, I'd like to keep this car. But I guess you can't keep them all. Power windows all work. Nice car. It's got the glass rear window. I love this color. I mean, it's probably one of one. I don't know if I've ever seen this color before. I mean, look how nice this thing is. Nice and straight down the sides. I believe this car's got all the original body panels. What a gorgeous car. Those are Goodyear bias-ply Redlines. Of course, it's got the correct Magnum 500s. And when you see the pictures of the bottom of this car, it's gorgeous. Again, this is not an original Hemi car. They only built one of these cars. It was a factory 440 car, but this is a 66 date-coded 426 Hemi engine. You can see it's got the chrome air cleaner. It's got the dual quads. Stock intake and exhaust manifolds. Does have the Mopar radiator with a shroud. All your numbers are in place. Power steering car. It's got manual drum brakes. I mean, look how they did this car. Everything's like the suspension components are done like this. 727 Torqueflite automatic trans. Fender tag. The CERTA card's still there. We do have a copy of the original broadcast sheet. 727 Torqueflite automatic trans. You want to talk about gorgeous. I mean, this thing is beautiful. Power top, it works nice. We're gonna actually drive it down the road, so Our weather's let up a little bit, so it's nice to be able to shoot them outside instead of in the building. I like that. A-pillar chrome's very nice. This is a remote mirror. It works. New door handles. You can see all the door window fuzz. All that stuff's been replaced. New door rubbers. Door seams are nice and clean. Little fading on that. And you can see where somebody's been riding their arm a little bit. Power windows, they all work. Beautiful car. Factory bucket seats, center console. Interior lights all work. Steering wheel's in great shape. 86,177 on your odometer. That's supposed to be the original miles. Tach works. Yeah, it sticks. It's a little slow, but it does work. AM radio works. Blower motor works. Again, just as nice on the bottom as it is on top. H-pipe dual exhaust system in it. It has the 8 3/4 323 sure grip rear axle in it. Clean car. There's a spare in here, no jack. He's got some other parts too that'll go with it. It is body color in here. There's your copy of your original broadcast sheet. Owner's manual. He's got a bunch of original Chrysler literature that goes with the car. There's an extra Hemi air filter that goes with it, and then there's some other stuff too that I've got that'll go with the car too. Everything opens and closes nice. I mean, this is an outstanding car. And look at the bottom. Missed some dust there, guys. Again, this came out of a multiple car collection. And everything the guy had was just like this, nut and bolt done. Dash is really nice. Gauges are nice and clean. This center console is really nice. Just a great car. A-pillar chrome is nice. Car just hits the road great. Now this is an awesome car. All your gauges are functional. Again, rev it a little bit. That tach works. I know it works. It just was sticking in. Like I said, this car has been sitting, and power windows work. Backup lights work. Great car. AM radio works, blower motor works. Everything opens and closes real nice. Great. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. What a car. Tach's backwork? He said the tach's backwork, yeah. Like I say, this car has been sitting. I don't think this car's had very many miles on it since it's been restored. I would tell you this car has probably not been driven much at all. Have a great day.